How to pay for Amazon Prime on a monthly basis. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, you need to open any of your preferred browser and go to the official Prime Video website, or you could just go to Amazon option. Log in into your account using your Amazon account and then tap on your account list. From there, go to accounts and select on Prime. This way, you will reach to account and settings from the drop down menu. Choose on the Prime membership and then click on Edit on Amazon. Hover your mouse to the Accounts and List option to click on Accounts again. Hereby, you can view the benefits and payment settings. Click on it. Now click on See More Plans to view different options. Choose the monthly plan from the available option in order to start up with the monthly payment. Complete your payment setup for monthly subscription and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.